Chat, what's good, man? How we doing? Welcome back. Yo, what's good? Fucking camera again. Yo, what's good, man? What's good, AJ? How we doing? What's good, Adam? Noose? What's good? What's good, Michael? Atomic Habit, Noodle Holtz. Why is this not turning up? It should be good. Yeah, we're back. We're back, man. Cool. Welcome back. Listen. Good Malenko. What's good, Max? Get into the day, man. It's going to be a good day today. We've got a lot of opportunities here. And yeah, welcome back to the stream. How was everyone's day yesterday, though? How was everyone's day? Did you guys have a good day? Catch many dubs or what? Yo, what's good, Kata? How was your birthday, man? I'm in Italy. Crazy. That's a W, bro. Good stuff. WWW. All good. Lovely stuff, man. FXOTP, what's good? What's good news? Chat. Big day today, man. Big day. So, later we have unemployment claims, right? I believe we have unemployment claims later. What day is it today? Thursday. Is it Thursday already, chat? Insane, it is. Insane. Yeah, so with that being said, right, what can we do today? Well, the daily, I would say, bro, yesterday's daily somehow closed doji, which is interesting. I've got no clue how it did that, but nonetheless it did it. Closed doji. Now you're sort of coming up on this current daily candle. You don't really have much of a bottom wick. You do have some bottom wick, but not really a massive one. 4 hours, well, I mean, yeah, you're pushing up, but you did close respecting previously. 1 hour as well now. We are starting to, continue up here. You do have a resistance at 26.64 that we're about to tap into. So, again, you want to see how we react there. But other than that, you've got clean traffic, really. I mean, look, as long as you close above 26.64.3, you should continue up, right? But if you do start closing back into this range, back below... let's say back below here, right? Below 2660. We can then take sells to continue all the way back down towards this area here at the bottom. Probably, yeah, 2657 as a minimum. Then after that, obviously, you've got room until 2653. But essentially, that's what we're looking at right now. So if we're going to get some buys here, we need to see a closure back above this level here at 2664. You are ripping right now and you have grabbed some liquidity, so you might see that, to be honest, in the next 13 minutes before the closure. Otherwise, if you get sells back into the range, we'll take sells to continue down, right? But until that point, yeah, we've got to wait and see. What's good, Omar? How you doing, man? What's good, FNAM? What's good, Michael? Yesterday, PM session, thanks to that 15 closure above with no top wick, I decided not to get in, and thank God, I would have been instantly smashed. Yeah, bro. That was, interesting, to be honest. Interesting. Yo, chat, give me 1 sec. Yo, where is everyone today? Where are you lot at? What's good, Michael? What's everyone doing? Bro, I'm sad. The vlog was meant to be ready for today, but I don't know if... My editor said it'd be on the drive, but I don't know if it is yet. I don't think it is, which is tough. Tough, bro. We'll see. At least it'll be today or tomorrow. At least. We ripping? Yeah, chat, we are pushing here. Look, you got 10 minutes left to the 1 hour close right now. So, if you can close above, right, leaving a top wick, you should be good to drive. Super tired this morning? Nah, I feel you, bro. I feel like everyone is. I don't know where everyone's at. Bro, I won't. I won my first comp last night. Quitting work next week to full-time trade and sign up for the PGA. Crazy, bro. You won a comp? That's mad. I'm not playing with you then. You're going to be too good for me. W, bro. It's insane. What did you hit? What did you shoot? Flight was at 6 a.m. I went to bed at 2 and woke up at 3. Bro. Those are good though, because at least you know you're going on holiday, right? So you're tired for a reason. Bro, I know that feeling way too well. Being like super tired at the airport. I once fell asleep at the airport and woke up like 10 minutes before my flight, and I thought I'd missed it. Yeah, that was a horrible feeling. Morning, Dan, what's good, man? I'm very, very good. 4 under par over 9 holes. Insane, bro. Was it scramble or what? 4 under par, that's ridiculous. It was a girl next to me, not gonna lie, kind of cute. Watch the movie with her. Hey, let's go, bro. Trying to eating that paprika curry eggs combo. That shit is fire, bro. I'm telling you, I told you it was elite, man. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to the cooking stuff. We cook on the charts, but also in real life too. Yeah, what's good, Levi? Yeah, chat. I can't believe you watched the movie with this girl. Good shit. But yeah, chat. You got 8 minutes here to the 1 hour close. So realistically, we've got a lot of opportunity here. A lot of opportunity. As long as you close above and pull back, you should see a continuation upwards, right? To at least tap into 2667, if not further. But again, it just depends on how we close here. No, mate, not scramble, you cheeky beggar. My 23 handicap. Yeah, fair play. Fair play. Chat, you're pushing here, man. It doesn't look like you want to pull back. Hang on, let me open my broker. I want to see something here. Yeah, wow. Okay. Started to rip up here, eh? Insane. Alright, chat, so you got 7 minutes here. Realistically, you need to see a pullback, like I just said. Otherwise, bro, you might see a rejection, to be fair, off this 2666 level. But it's mad that we have a rejection at 666, by the way. But if you don't, and if you just push up here, there's not much we can do. There's really not much we can do if you just continue to push up. You probably have to call it a day or a session. That was good, Dan. Second Dan of the day. Yeah, we'll see what happens here, chat. Again, you've probably got room now until at least 2670, right? Your wick fill would be your break even here if you don't fill it first. This would be a very simple play, so just lock it in a little bit. We've got a lot of potential as long as this candle decides to pull back. If it doesn't, then we're done for. Yeah, a lot of potential. Yesterday, chat, I don't know if you guys pulled up to the New York stream, but we got a trade within a minute of being on stream yesterday. So the lesson for that is make sure you pull up early to the streams. Very key. Ah, yes. The MT5 disconnect noise. Zulu, what's good, man? What's good? Chat, listen, drop a like as well if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys for pulling up to the stream. And yeah, look, you are pulling back a little bit here, which is great. Just a little bit, but you are doing it. You got 5 minutes now, chat. Let's lock it in, focus up, and see what we can grab here. Hopefully we can get some nice positions here. Stops are not too bad. Stops at the minute are about 60 pips. Which is okay. It's nothing major. Yo, been debating whether to join the VIP mentorship. I love the way you trade. I just don't know what to do. It's up to you, brother. Listen, I think realistically, you may as well ask the people that have joined it, right? So I think there's a lot of people in the Discord that have been in it previously, that have gone through it and learned and now trade. So you can ask them, or just take my word for it. But I mean, it's a good program. It's fully customized to you. And yeah, I mean, most of the people that were in it now trade like profitably. So if you want to sort of fast track your, you know, route to becoming profitable, then it's definitely a good way to do it, in my opinion. But again, that's entirely your decision, my friend. I took an entry at 26.64. Should I close full or let it run? Depends if you're going to survive the bottom wick or not. You could close partials and let the rest run. I don't see why not. But thank you, Sinha, by the way. And welcome. Chat, you got 3 minutes here. Start to focus up and lock it in right now. We've got a lot of potential here. A lot of potential, man. If we can close like this, that'd be great. Be really, really nice. And then if you could get a wick tapping into like 26.62, or even just the level, actually, that would be decent for a wick entry. We're starting to retrace here, or like recontinue the push. What's good, Crypto? How's it going, brother? What's good, Gandhi? Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, okay, cool, chat. So listen, 2 minutes here. As long as it doesn't give us the no top wick special, we should be good. We should be good here. Wickfield gives you about 14 pips right now for the break-even point. That'd be what? Not even previous daily high, it's just a previous 4-hour high. If I got a call coming, oh, that's tough, bro. $15 is right resistance. Yeah, but the 1 hour is closing above, right? This is a fake out, by the way. This is not a... I don't think this is a resistance. I think this is a fake out. But each to their own. Obviously, you do have to close above still, chat, right? If it starts to come back down here now and push and close inside the range, then yeah, not ideal. If the 5 minute could close no bottom wick though, right here, that'd be brilliant, but it doesn't look like it's gonna do that. Let's see here, chat. Let's see what we do. Oh. Are we even gonna close in the range? Or outside the range? 1 minute, chat. Lock it in. If you would have made this push a minute later, we would have had the cleanest entry ever, because you would have had a no bottom wick above the range. But now I feel like we might end up closing within the range and still pushing up. That is... difficult here. Let's focus up for a sec. Tina, I'll answer your question in a bit. I just need to lock in for a sec. Chat, drop a like, by the way, before this closure. We've got 30 seconds here. I want to see a bit of a retracement on the 5. Question is now, chat, since you're pushing back up on the closure, the likelihood that you get a bottom wick is a lot lower. You did close above, technically. Yes. Alright, chat, what is that? It retraces the whole time, so you expect to get a bottom wick. Insane, bro. That's actually ridiculous. That's so... I don't even... I'm speechless. Alright, man. It is what it is. It is what it is. We have to wait here. Be patient. Might have to wait for the 4-hour chat. Wow. How did you put together everything from scratch to you becoming a profitable trader? Well, if you join the one-on-one mentorship, right, I teach you lesson by lesson exactly how to, you know, go from scratch to becoming profitable. If you join the group, essentially, we jump in calls every day. You can copy my trades, and very, very soon, it will teach you exactly how I went from scratch all the way to profitable as well. What's good, Abdullah? How's it going? What's good, Axel? Yeah, damn it, no bottom wick. I know. Chat is such a clean closure as well. This classic gold, right? That's actually textbook. I have a feeling we'll start to push down at some point and then reflip and then drive. But chat, the fact that we were pushing down towards the end of the closure made me think, okay, cool, we're going to get a bottom wick. But nonetheless, we didn't get it. Gold is an ass nowadays, bro. It's very strange, don't get me wrong. Morning, Charlie. What's good, man? Alright, chat, listen. Right now, all we have to do here is we have to wait for the 30-minute, probably, or the 15. You need a bottom wick, really, before you can do anything here. I'd love to see if we can come down first, grab a bottom wick, and then make a closure back above again. Otherwise, it's going to get a bit difficult here. You did actually start to reject as well. So buys are a little bit tough here because you started to reject off this level up here. So realistically, the next 30-minute or the next 1 hour might even close back in the range. Who knows? Who knows, man? But we're coming up to... I mean, not coming up to... You got an hour till the 4-hour close. Could be the biggest 4-hour close ever. Or like the highest, sorry. And I actually did say on stream yesterday that I believe this was a higher low, right? And it looks like that's what we're doing to continue back up now. So today should have a lot of potential, right? As long as you stick to that market structure, especially if we make another higher high on the 4-hour, you should be chilling. Good job. How's it going, man? Alright, cool. Yeah, chat. So right now, again, it could go anywhere at this point. I mean, it might just continue to fill the range, but yeah, not much we can do here. Not too much, man. How's everyone's week been so far though, chat? It's Thursday today. I didn't realize it was Thursday. The week's gone so quick. Yeah, how's everyone's week been? It's been a banger for us so far. Absolute screamer. Whoa. Yeah, everyone's either locked in or what? Decent week, can't complain. Ah, that's good. You're ripping up here, man. You're about to re-rate the highs. You might see a pop if you re-rate the highs, right? Towards the top of the next range. Yeah. Nothing we could do here, chat. There was literally zero entry. Regardless of the fact it's pushing up, we still had no entry. There's nothing we could do at all. "30-minute no bottom wick is crazy." I know, 1 hour no bottom wick is mad. It's tough, man. It's tough. Yeah, what's Bitcoin doing? Yeah, crypto sold the top. Clean. Stuck out? That's crazy. Still, platinum. If silver looks clean. I don't know. W so far, 1% up on challenge account, 9% left to pass. Survive from -3%. Hey, good stuff, bro. Told you, man, you get that shit back. -3% is nothing. Like I said, man, I've had phase ones in the past where I've got it back from -9%. So, yeah, man, you're chilling. Alright, chat. Ripping here. Actually ripping. Saw some guy on IG using your strategy on indices. Yeah, man. You can use the strategy on pretty much anything, right? A lot of people trade Forex pairs, indices, gold. Yeah, Bitcoin, people even trade with it, right? You can trade it with no matter what you want, right? It's just a strategy, but it's universal in what you can use it with. Yeah, definitely, bro. A lot of people trade a lot of things with it, man. Oh. You can trade corn futures with it if you want. Been testing it on silver the past 2 to 4 months. How's it been going, bro? How's it been going? Wheat USD. Yeah. I've been looking at silver too, but I feel like I'll just stick to gold. I like to keep it simple, to be honest. 1 or 2 trades a day, and then I get on with the rest of my stuff. Grab you guys there. That's too low now. That should be better. Perfect. A lot of price history to go off. Yeah, that's good, I guess. I can't remember what that feels like with gold, to be honest. I cannot remember what it feels like to have like a lot of previous price history. All-time high for the last months. Got shorts or joggers on? No comment. No comment. Chat, listen, drop a like if you haven't already, man. Let's try to get to 50 likes on today's stream. Really appreciate it. 1 to 2 trades a day and make people's salary. Yeah, normal day for SG. Bro, that's all you need, man. 1 to 2 trades a day is actually what you need. Like, any more and you end up losing what you've made. So, Yeah, it's definitely optimal to take fewer trades. The 2 trades, won both of them, done for the day. Hey, let's go, Shahir. Good stuff. Yeah, congrats, man. That's exactly what it should be. Especially, like, if you've got other stuff to do, right? You don't want to be just sitting on the charts even after you've taken a win. I'm not going to lie, a lot of the times I'll just call it a day after one win. Don't get me wrong, like, some days we get, like, 2, maybe 3 trades maximum, but yeah, like, I've got so much stuff to do. I don't want to be sat there all day looking at the charts. I'd rather get my trades, get my positions out, and then move on. Defo just... Nah, I've got joggers on, bro. Crazy. Insane from you, Mr. Eugene. Post more vlogs that show how to live a self-improvement type life after being done with trading. Bro, it's very funny you say that. I've been working on these vlogs for a long time now. I've got one coming out today. Hopefully. You guys are going to love it. Honestly, you guys are going to absolutely love it. I'm super excited for it. So yeah, make sure you guys check that out when it comes out. But yeah, man, it's going to be sick. Just need my guy to send it over, which is tough because he said he was going to do it. But yeah, like I said, right, I'm completely revamping this channel now. Like, you guys are going to see a complete different side. All of the old style videos are going to get changed up. It's going to be new, more exciting, more honest and transparent videos. Like, yeah, you guys are in for a treat, really. Super excited for it. Yeah, because after the trade session, feels like I'm done with boss's mission and nothing to do. Yeah, you got to find some other quests to do, to be honest. Bye bye G, hope you get a great setup today. Yeah, in a bit, man. In a bit. Good stuff. Working on getting funded, scaling up, then be able to take 1 to 2 trades a day. Grinding right now. Yeah, but even when you're trying to get funded, right, taking 1 to 2 trades a day is still the right thing to do because you don't want to overtrade and lose your balance. There's no point risking it like that. Big rejection on the 30. Yeah, it's actually quite a decent rejection. But it's actually just a 5-minute bottom wick by the looks of it. I think you'll probably continue up here. Yeah, chat, because eventually one day, I'm not going to be streaming, right? I just won't be able to at one point. I'll be too busy. So these vlogs will essentially one day take over that, and whoever's, you know, still in that community at that point from you know, now, basically, any of the OGs, someone's going to have to be able to take over, or at least, you know, I mean, we'll still do calls in the Discord and stuff, don't get me wrong, but I won't be able to stream 2 times a day because I'm going to be way too busy. But that's not for a long time, chat. I'll be here for a while. For as long as I can, because I do enjoy streaming. Like, I actually really do like it, so yeah, I'll try and make it last for as long as possible. Chat, you got a 15-minute close here in about 30 seconds. You are technically closing above, but I don't like the way we got no bottom wick on the 1 hour still. I'd like to see something better. Just passed my 100k funded, but down 1.5%. The psychology is a different game. No, it's not, bro. It's still a demo account. Still the same demo account you had before, bro. Just continue to trade it as you normally would, bro. You know you can pass it. Alright, cool. Morning, guys. Hope everyone's good. Yeah, what's good, Matt? How's it going, bro? How's it going? Okay, chat. 15-minute did close above, which is interesting. You're now continuing to push up here, so I do believe you will tap the range at some point. It's just whether or not we get a closure first. So we can grab a 30-minute closure here or a 1-hour closure above this level, and then you get a bottom wick first for it on the next candle. So that'll be the 4-hour candle. Then we can take a trade to continue back up, right? It's not going to be too bad. Chat, we're literally 5 subs off of 4.5k. How insane is that? Super, super close, man. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. Yeah, insane. We're growing so quick. I was gonna say, chat. What day is it today? It's like the 26th. Chat, if we hit 5k by the end of the month, I'll do free signals for everyone for a month. Which will be insane. Someone better go share this with all of their communities or whatever. You'll get basically free profitable signals for a month. Go tell your friends, tell your wife, tell your children, tell your dad, tell everyone you know. We don't have very long, man. So if we get there in the next 5 days, aren't you already? I mean, yeah, on stream, right? But my signals outside of stream are like, you know, a premium service. I'll tell my 500 wives. Hey, perfect. Hey, Grandma, have you heard of Forex? Subscribe to this geezer. I think gold all-time high. Again, nothing new. Yeah, maybe we'll see. I mean, realistically, yeah, it's gonna tap into 2670 here. Just whether or not it decides to close above that or not. But again, we had no entries here, which is tough. We had no entries. Gold been playing. I know, bro. It's been ridiculous, to be honest. Yeah, it's been insane. Chat, you've only got 11 minutes here to the 30-minute closure. Can you actually close decently? Whoa. What should I go post your YouTube on Discord accounts to sub? Yeah, maybe. That's actually a vibe. No idea. Spam it in DPS. In the future, grandson asking me, Grandpa, how did you make money? Answer, I gambled with a plan. Crazy. Feels like I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and gold's gonna be 3,000. Yeah, one day, bro. Very soon it's gonna be 2,800, right? I mean, it seems far away, but again, like we were at 2,000 not long ago, right? Like, it was not very long ago. And this is a 30-minute chart. Let's go to the daily. It was not too long ago that we were at 2,000, right? February. Yeah, insane. The continued push up here. without really stopping at all. Time actually flies. When I started trading gold a year ago, our range just started with 19. I know, bro. I remember trading gold when it started with 17. I remember trading gold when the number started with 17 something. Like, I guess even 16 as well. Maybe not 16, but definitely 17, bro. $1,800. Yeah, 1,800 again. Imagine taking buys down here at 18, 19. Running that shit all the way up to 26.68. That's different level. But chat, you need to see a pullback here of some sorts, otherwise we're not going to be able to grab anything. The 4 hour is going to be closing very bullish, right? Very, very bullish, most likely. It depends, actually. We've got 39 minutes left, so you could just reject the whole way down, but I'm not sure whether that's actually going to happen or not. I do expect you to tap into 26.70 now. I don't think there's anywhere else for you to go. But yeah. With news today, this could go insane. Yeah, but you notice how news hasn't really been pushing us up through all-time highs recently. Like, it always just pushes us back down. I feel like maybe the government or the banks or whoever it is trying to keep gold a little bit lower for a bit. So that's why all the news events keep ripping us back down. Well, I guess no, they're not trying to keep gold down. They're trying to keep the economy decent, right? Trying to prop up the dollar. Yeah, there you are, though. That's the tap into the 26.70 level, nearly. That's what we were expecting earlier. If only we had a bottom wick, chat, we would have been in there. We would have been in there riding this up right now. We would have been saying, okay, chat, close full here at 50 pips. But alas, it was not to be. Gold decided we did not need a bottom wick. Just wanted to rip up. Yeah, so you start to reject here as well, off this level. That is interesting, chat. If it has a bottom wick, Trent would record story by now saying everyone spam wins. Yeah. You're right, man. You're right. Love a good W spam the moment we take a dub. Sometimes in life. Indeed. Yeah, chat. I think, again, it's tough. It's a bit tough now that you've tapped into the level. But, again, with the 4 hour close coming, you might be able to take some buys to still continue up regardless. Market structure is very bullish still. You will need to grab some liquidity at some point. It's just whether or not we do that first. Look like a Peroni one. What was everyone's reaction when you made it by pushing buy, sell buttons? Most people don't know what I do, bro, to be honest. Mr. Sinner. Most people don't know what I do. Most people are close to me. Like family, friends, etc. I just tell them I'm a spy. Nah, I'm joking. I don't know, man. I don't really talk to people about that sort of stuff. Beer in the morning is crazy. Yeah. See-through beer, bro. Sells drugs. Bro, I've been accused of that so many times, it's funny. Especially when I started making money off crypto when I was at uni. Everyone was like, are you selling drugs? What's good, Lone Trader? How you doing, bro? What's good, what's good, what's good? Alright, chat. A lot of potential for today, though, so make sure you stick around. Definitely not a time to dip off here. I'm excited to see what this 30 closure does. Especially if you close above and get a decent bottom wick, right? Especially if you come down and make a bottom wick for the 1 hour, then reflip. We'll take some buys to continue up. Only if you do that, though. And then obviously after that we can wait for the 4 hour. But the 30 could give us something here, depending on whether it wants to give us a bottom wick or not. But yeah, we'll see. Here in the morning, normal in German. Especially at Oktoberfest, right? Especially at Oktoberfest. What we demanded for an hourly bottom wick? Yeah. I know, bro. It's tough. It's tough. I will live with my parents on a Vietnam trip holiday soon. I already imagine they asked me while I'm on my laptop, are you gambling? Just say yes. Oktoberfest is crazy, bro. I know, bro. I've been. I want to go again, though. Actually, I don't really drink, so there's not really much point of me going again. Can't really go to Oktoberfest and not drink beer. You were there when you were 12? Bro, what? Hey, what's good, Geordie? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? What do you mean, Eugene? What form? Drop a like. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Alright, chat, cool. We're coming up to the 30-minute close here. He's doing it. Oh, what, Matt? Lovely. You trade your own capital or are you using a prop account? I trade my own capital, brother. Yeah, I trade my own capital. What's good, though? Sam the man. A good name, man. Sam is a good name. I'd say it's the best name. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Most people in Vietnam, they talk about trading. It's just a side hustle. You can get extra money to go to the market every week. They think it's not an actual career. Yeah, most people are small-minded, though, bro. Oh, yeah, true. That's right, Lone Trader as well. But Powell has a speech today, right? So at like 2 o'clock before even New York Open, Powell's going to start a speech. So the market should be extremely volatile. So you have to be careful of that, if I'm honest. You have to be very, very careful of that. Why don't you trade prop firms? Because prop firms are a good tool to scale your capital, but I've scaled my capital in other ways, including like just trading a live account, right? So why would I restrict myself now? I agree, prop firms are great when you're starting off. They're such a good tool. But at this point where I've got enough capital to make a significant or a decent amount of money trading, why would I then restrict myself to only being allowed a certain amount of drawdown? I can't take stack positions. I can't do this. I can't do that. I have to request a payout. At this point, I'd just much rather create my own capital with my own rules and be sort of free on it. But yeah, I definitely think prop firms are a good tool. If you do want to get a prop firm account, make sure you go and use code SG at ACG. It's going to give you 20% off the account, which is absolutely nuts, right? It saves you basically $100 if you're getting 100k. So yeah, go run that. Which broker do you use for your personal account? I use exclamation mark broker. I use AvaTrade, bro. AvaTrade is a really good broker. They're actually the most regulated broker in the world, I'm pretty sure. Like, they have the most regulations, so they're pretty safe. Your money's pretty safe. Thanks so much from South Africa, Cape Town. I lived in Reading for 2 years and Dundee 1 year. Love the UK. Hey, good stuff, bro. I might be moving to Cape Town very shortly, so yeah, that's cool. Reading's not far from me as well in the UK. Yo, family, what you telling me? What's good, Besh? How you doing, bro? What's good? Chat, 30-minute closed here at the top of the range. Top wick first as well. Nothing we can do here. You might see a new all-time high though here, chat. I'm not going to lie. It seems as if it's just going to rip up. But again, nothing I can really do. Cape Town, yeah. Yeah, bro. Potentially, it's on my list. Alright, in a bit, FNAM. See you later, bro. See you in a bit. Enjoy work. Enjoy. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already, man. Drop a like and subscribe. We're very close to 4.5k subs here. And let's try and get to like 60 likes on today's stream. You guys are killing it at the minute. Really appreciate you guys for pulling up. And yeah, hopefully we can grab a trade here shortly, but we just need to stay patient right now. I feel like it's making a significant move right now. Bro, if only we had... I know ifs and shoulds and coulds or whatever are not good, but this would have been such a clean position with a bottom wick. Just gold being gold. Gold being gold. But yeah, listen. 4-hour close should tell you everything, right? The 4-hour close is going to be very bullish unless you see a significant pullback here. Which is tough because, again, you do have a 1-hour level up here, but I guess you could classify this as a fake out. Yeah, we'll see. All-time high creeped up on us. Bro, I know. I feel like this crept up on us too. This was a 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. candle. I didn't even realize this had happened until like the next day, obviously. So, but it looks like a fake out. It's very weird. Very, very strange. But yeah, in this new vlog, right, that comes out, hopefully it comes out today because I'm super excited, firstly to see it and then for you guys to see it as well. I'll be doing a giveaway in it. I don't know what I'll do, but some form of giveaway in the comments. And yeah, I think realistically, I'm just super excited for this new style of content. So make sure you all subscribe. Make sure you have the notifications on too, because if you click that little bell in the corner, right, you're going to get notified for all my videos. And I'm not getting pushed into the algorithm at the minute. Whoa, streamception, right? Streamception. But yeah, if you go down, there's a little bell icon. It will just be right down here. Go click that because, yeah, I'm not getting pushed to the algorithm. So you don't want to miss anything. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you click that. Hey, look at this. All right, cool. Whoa. Insane. Insane. Cool, chat. So, we need to return the sausages, man. Yeah, you're reacting off this 2670 level. Now, if you start to struggle here, you might see a retracement. Otherwise, yeah, you're going to see a continuation back down. You're the only YouTube channel where I have the bell on. Insane, bro. Appreciate that, Mr. Noodle Holtz. That's commitment right there. Commitment right there. No, I appreciate it. Chat, so much potential for positions here, though. You got 10 minutes to the next 15-minute closure. So realistically, if we can start to form some structure, pull back a little bit, we could be good to take buys to continue up. Otherwise, yeah, it might get a little bit tough, but we do need to see some form of a pullback being made. Is it true that South Africa has the largest gold mines in the world? I don't know, is that true? Let's do a simple Google. Country with largest gold mines. At country level, China was the largest producer of gold in the world. Oh, no, Australia's got the largest gold mines, right? Yeah. I've seen Australia's got... Whoa, this is sick, bro. There's no way they still use actual mine carts like that. South Africa's third. You know what's mad, bro, is that, like... countries like Russia have, like, everything you can need to be self-sufficient. I suppose the US is very similar, right? But, like, Russia particularly has deserts in it, bro. It has, like... obviously, Siberia is full of ice and snow and all that shit. And it's got cities. It's got every resource it needs. It's got oil, gold, shitload of forests for like wood. I guess like all the sort of precious metals you need as well. Whereas like in the UK, we just have to import all that shit. So we're so dependent on other people. Like, if it came to a situation where like there was a world war or whatever, but like we'd be pretty fucked. I suppose we just get it from the US, but you'll have to pay for it. That's why America's in Russia. Yeah, that is true. All right, chat. Are we about to see a new all-time high here? Though you're essentially 5 pips away from all-time high here. Once you do like break past it, you will probably see a pop. Unless you're starting to reject here, but I don't think you are. You've been testing it over and over and over again. You most likely see a pop up here. We'll see though. Nothing I can do if we do that, to be honest. I know you did start to reject a little bit. Interesting. Interesting, chat. This could be interesting, to be honest, but it might also be very difficult for us to grab anything here, so we need to see. But again, with the 5 reacting the way it is, the 15, you could potentially even get sells if you start to push down here. A bit ambitious, or a bit aggressive, sorry, but not out of the equation. Sparring last night, took a few decent shots, bro. I say, just getting beat up for a living. Not for a living, but for fun. I need to start that if I'm honest. Pause. Yeah, okay. Moving on. 5 minutes coming towards a flip here. We're going to see a new all-time high, chat. Very shortly. It's struggling though. You are actually struggling to push up here. Somewhere I dished out a few, ate a kick to the face though. Insane. I thought you didn't do like. Wait, was it you? I thought you didn't do like head kicks or whatever. As in like no sparring to the head. Might be wrong. My son does Muay Thai, he's only 5. Shit, he could probably beat us up then. Alright, chat. I'm interested. So essentially everything comes down to this 4-hour close now, chat. If you do pull back a little bit here, you should be able to get a continuation upwards, right? I'd love to see us essentially form something like this, right? Where we come down, tap into the level again, do something like this, and then continue back up, right? If you could do that, then great. Obviously, until we do that, right, we can't take a buy at this position here because we're already at the resistance, right? Even on the 4-hour, I still believe that you're technically at the the 1-hour resistance here is still in effect, so to speak. So if that resistance is still in effect, then realistically you can't be taking buys here regardless of whether 4 closes above its own resistance or not. You have to either wait for a closure above here, which makes your stops way too big, or you have to wait for a little pullback right now, come back into this 26.64 level, and then take the buys essentially off of that. But yeah, difficult, very, very difficult, chat. But again, patience is key, right? The past 2 days, we've waited pretty much all day for a setup, and then when it came, we took it and we got a win, right? So that's all you have to do. Wait for that setup to come, be patient, and that's when, you know, you get rewarded for it. Super close to all-time high now, chat, though. You're literally like 5 pips away. It's attempting it over and over again, right? Look, it's really trying to push up, but it's also really struggling here at this level. You know what's funny? Yesterday, someone commented on one of my posts, and they said that the trades you're taking have a 50-50 chance. I was so confused by that. Because there's people that actually think that way, that it's a 50-50 chance. Which, obviously, it's not, right? Like, if you think about it, a coin flip is 50-50. If we could get a 92% win rate on a coin flip, everyone would be like, what? How's he doing it? Like, that's magic. Yeah, let's say you have 100 trades. With my win rate, that'd be the same as flipping a coin 100 times and getting heads 91 out of 100 times. That makes no sense. How is that 50-50? Really, really weird, bro. What's good, Far? How's it going, man? Real, bro. Just first I was a machine gun and MT5. Now just waiting days to make the bigger move and better trades. Now winning more than losing. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Just watch your Lord of the Mana vid. Great content. Much success to you and the channel. Hey, thank you, Michael. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. 1 hour, no bottom on top wick. Yeah, most likely. What about the freak off strategy? What is that, bro? Okay, chat, you're pushing above here. You're at least trying to. 2 pips from a new all-time high. Anyone that said that, you just know they never really trust their analysis. Or they just know nothing about trading. Yeah, you're right. 3 Diddy's crazy. He Diddy strategy. Insane. Right, Eugene's going into timeout for 5 minutes. For that, I'm not happy with that. You can have a nice little timeout. Get him out of here. Yes, yeah. Insane. Chat. Bro, you're actually really struggling at all-time high here. This is obviously untradeable right now, chat. You know that, but it's definitely struggling here. Someone just full margin a sell right now with stops of like 2 pips, 3 pips. See what it does. Not me. Oh, chat, look at that. That is clean, though. Don't get me wrong. I know someone's eyeing that up. Failed to break all-time highs, chat. It failed to break. Yeah, chat, look at this. Wait, I have to screenshot this so I don't show you the rest of my messages. I said free me. Hey, what's good, Camo Digger? How you doing, man? Insane. They're saying the baby oil was actually GHB. What's GHB? Chat, 15-minute closed doji. Wow. Strong rejection, right? 5-minute close, no bottom wick. Chat, you're going to see this pullback here now. You're most likely going to see this pullback, which is good for us, I guess. You got 15 minutes to the 4-hour close. You got a lot of potential for some trades here, chat. A lot of potential, but again, like this, or maybe not. 15 did have a very, very strong reaction, though, at the level, which I'm curious about. Classic British gang outfit, I know, trust me. Three Eugene. He should be free by now, bro. I think it's been longer than 5 minutes. Oh, it's a club drug. Oh, that. Okay, yeah, I've seen that. I thought you meant a person. I've heard of GH. Yeah. That's insane, bro. Lock him up. Yeah, chat, if you do close bearish on the 30-minute, we could take some sales anticipating a bottom wick on the 4-hour. Alternatively, right, we wait for a pullback and we take some buys off the 4-hour bottom wick. But other than that, those are the two plays we've really got an option for here. That's what we've really got an option for. What you meant, a Forex pair? Not quite. Oh. GHB-USD? Yeah, maybe. Sounds good. GHB-JPY. Okay, chat, cool. Listen, we've got 90 people in here right now. Appreciate you guys very much for pulling up. Can we get to like 60 likes today on today's stream? That'd be much, much, much appreciated. I think, to be honest, if this 15 flips, you're going to continue down, chat. I don't see why you wouldn't. I can't take a position based off of it, though. We're just too bullish to be taking like sells right now without a big confirmation. Until until you get that big confirmation, there's not much I can do. There's not too much I can do until we get a clean confirmation. But regardless of that, right, I'd rather wait for this pullback to actually happen. You could take buys potentially off this bottom wick being formed. Yeah, you should realistically come down and tap into this level here. It's only like 40 pips away. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. But yeah, you got 12 minutes now, chat, to the 4-hour, or 11 minutes till the 4-hour close. Again, this 4-hour close is going to be essentially whether or not we get positions here. It should give you a very good idea of where we're going to go. And where we're going to push to, right? But again, look at the way you're sort of testing this push up right now. You're like really, really trying, but at the same time failing, which is interesting. Stop the turmeric and pepper. Yeah, probably a good idea, to be honest. Got how good normal coffee is. But it's so weird that you were putting turmeric and pepper in your coffee. 33 wins, plus 10 BEs, plus 6 losses, 49 total trades on stream. Equals 67% win rate. Well, it depends if you count the BEs, but yeah, I guess. And that means what, bro? He's calling me. One sec. Alright, never mind. One sec, chat. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Alright, I'm back. How long did it take you to become full-time? About a year and a bit, I'd say, roughly. It wasn't too long. But yeah, about a year and a bit. Yeah, you're gonna push down here, I think. Of course, you have to calculate B because you mentioned on a coin flip you'll get heads 91 times out of 100. No, I was referring to the overall statistics, right? So yes, on stream we've taken that, but on our overall, right? And this is not including the past 2 weeks. This is our win rate, right? $96 wins, 12 losses. But if you're gonna cry about it, you can not include the break evens if you want. It doesn't matter. It's still profitable. If it makes you upset. Alright, chat. 8 minutes into the 4-hour close. Let's see. See what we do here. Who cares about win rate anyway? It's just about who fucking makes money or not. Chat, you started to reject a little bit here, which is interesting. So now the question is, are you going to continue up now after that rejection? Have you made a low? Or are you going to need to come a little bit further down before you do that? The real question. I'm not saying it isn't profitable, just miscalculated. It depends, bro. $30-minute might close doji. Yeah, if it closes bearish, you are going to continue down, chat. Like, definitely. Right? But obviously you might need a top wick first, but we'll see. Morning, Creed. What's good, brother? Long time no see. That was 73% from the spreadsheet. Okay. Down because I sold here? Yeah, maybe, bro. Good shit. I think you got room to push down now, chat, to like at least 26.64. Especially if the 30 closes bearish, right? You should be good. Should be good. Not feeling great, brother. Missed my entry of 1 pip. Bro, is what it is, man. If your entry didn't print, then you didn't miss it, right? Technically, you didn't miss it. It just didn't play out for you. Like, you didn't actually get the setup because it didn't tap your level. So you didn't miss anything. May or may not have took sales in the 5-minute close no top wick. Did it? I didn't even see that. Oh, up here, yeah. That was decent sales, to be honest. Decent. Good stuff. B not count. It was a trade taken. You have to include total entries into calculation. No, because if you're going to count it as a win, it's not a loss, right? B doesn't count as a fucking loss. So if you're going to not count it as a loss, you may as well not count it as a trade. Or you have to count it as a win. You can't count it as not a loss, but also a trade taken, and then not a win as well. It has to be one or the other. Because it can't be a trade taken but still not a win and still not a loss. That doesn't make any sense. If you're gonna say B's don't count, then you don't include it in the total. But who cares, man? Who cares about win rate? I literally could not care less. Could not care less. Actually, 2 pips. I had sell limits at 70-70. Spreads didn't activate. Oh, that's tough, bro. Sometimes you just have to be a little bit more, like, you have to place it a little bit higher or lower than you expect it to go, you know? Like, let's say, you know, you want it to be at 26.70. Sometimes just place it at 26.69.8 or whatever it is. Just because, like, you're not going to save yourself. If it's 1 or 2 pips, it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things. Like, that's why when I put a TP on the chart, you'll notice, like, I never put my TP, like, on this level up here. It's always, like, a little bit lower. Because sometimes you don't tap the level exactly. Sometimes you come close. Sometimes you nearly tap it. You just have to be aware of that. But you're starting to push down here. Congrats if you took those sells, I guess. That was a clean trade. You're trending, if you remember me. I ain't been here in a minute, been grinding and got funded, bro. Didzy, of course I remember you, bro. Good stuff. Congrats, man. Congrats, you grinded and got funded. That's huge. Well done, brother. $30 pips, gold might be back at 50. Yeah, man. I just can't sell that right now because it was way too bullish for me. But if you start to close bearish here on the 30, we could take a look at something. 5 minute no bottom wick. Nah, you should be good. Actually, I have a bad habit of sticking to levels. Like, if I don't execute on my levels and get into drawdown, then I get pissed off. Yeah, but it's like 2 or 3 pips, bro. Like, in the grand scheme of things, that's not going to matter. Like, trading's not an exact art like that. As in, it's not going to always tap. Let me find an example for you. I mean, it is an exact art, but sometimes, right, it will tap like 80% of a level, 90% of a level. I can't find any examples just here, but you know what I mean. You get my point. Close tap on the 1 minute no bottom wick. Where you at? Hey, good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Right, chat. 2 minutes here to the 4 hour close. Start to lock it in here. There's a lot of potential right now. Obviously, look at the way the 4 hours closing, right? You're closing very, very bullish here. Now, you are reacting off the 2670 level, don't get me wrong. But as well as that, the 4 hours closing, the highest it's ever closed. So with that being said, if you can grab a bottom wick here, hopefully tap into around 2664 level, and then, you know, start to continue up, that's when we can take our buys. Otherwise, I mean, potentially you could look for a sell to catch that bottom wick, but again, you're sort of selling into a very bullish trend right now, which makes it quite difficult. Let's see what we do here, chat. You got 1 minute and 20 seconds. One minute, chat. Starting to re-push up here as well. I guess 26.25. My levels for buys. I have a slightly lower entries for you than you. Oh yeah, fair enough, bro. We're all gonna have different entries, right? I just want to see the 4 hour come down, grab a bottom wick for this previous 1 hour candle that didn't have a bottom wick, and then continue back up, right? 4 hour looks clean. It does, but bro, you don't really have much room, and stops are very, very big. Unless you use current candle stops, they're ginormous. Just got done with classes. What did I miss? Nothing. We're just waiting for this 4 hour close in about 10 seconds here. So you actually came back at a perfect time. Focus up, chat. Yeah, I do want to see a big bottom wick here, though. Otherwise, it's going to get difficult. Especially if you break all-time highs right now, chat. Like, you're pretty much fucked here. 5-minute close, no top wick. It's either an indication that we're very bullish right now or that we're going to sort of retrace and continue to push down a little bit. But we'll see, right? One sec, chat. All right, cool. Just got to reply to this message. Great. Gold not break 1 hour. Yeah, we did struggle at this 1 hour level, chat, right? Which is something that's a little bit difficult. So again, like I said, that's why I need to see a bottom wick coming at least down to 26.64-ish before I can do anything, really. Can't take sells here, though, even though the 30-minute closed. Oh, the 30-minute closed bullish doji. Okay, wow. Interesting. That is definitely interesting. I mean, you might feel the wick here, but after that, it's possible that you can continue back up, right? Because at the end of the day, you did close still bullish here, despite the fact that you came down that far and grabbed some liquidity. It's a good chat, though. Maybe we can get the trend play forming, right? Maybe we can look to see if we get a, you know, a candle with essentially no bottom wick. That'd be decent. Why are people beefing about win rate? Because they got too much time on their hands, bro. Too much time on their hands. Alright, chat. The 4 hours made a little bottom wick right now. And now you're starting to reflip. So if you do reflip here, realistically, the most likely thing is you're going to continue up to the highs. But again, obviously, this is nowhere near a big enough 4 hour bottom wick for us here. Nowhere near. You need to come down a lot further for me to take buys, if I'm honest. Can't remember, right? We've built this community to be as you know, as untoxic as possible. So if you guys want to come in here and beef about random stupid stuff, then go to a different community. But we have a profitable community here full of non-toxic people. You just want to get better at trading and learn, right? And that's the reason why everyone pulls up. So yeah, if you're you know, if you're not going to be a part of that, then fair play. But I've built this community on purpose to be very, very, like, you know, helpful and like a team value. So, you know, let's try and keep that going. What do you think of a golfer? I guess they're pretty sick, to be fair. I don't know if I'd buy one though. Alright, chat. Can we get to 75 likes on today's stream? Listen, if this 4 hour can push down a little bit further, you've got a good potential for some sells here. Oh, some buys, sorry. But until you do that, like I said, there's not much we can do here. So we just have to wait. Yeah, difference in opinions, okay, bro. Of course, Creed. Alright, chat. 5 minute closing here. You've gone pretty much nowhere. It's the classic gold 4 hour volume dip off. Realistically, we want to see some more liquidity being grabbed from below. You can do that, then great. Otherwise, yeah, it might get a little bit difficult, but essentially, we should at some point need to come back down and tap into 26.64. I don't see why we wouldn't. And if we can do that before we break the highs, then great. We can take some buys to continue up, right? Francis, what's good? Love from Kenya. Hey, what's good? What's good, bro? Much love from the UK. Yeah, no volume at the minute, chat, but it should pick up shortly. It should pick up shortly. Stay focused up here, chat. Let's see if we can grab something here very soon. All right, 5-minute close, like, I guess weak bearish. Next 5 minutes coming up first. 15-minute just flipped. / 4 hour. How did you perform yesterday, G? I've been missing the streams. Yesterday we caught 30 pips. The day before we caught 37 pips. And the day before that, I think we caught like 17. Damn it. Still in, bro. Stops at B though, not really going anywhere at the minute. Yeah, I mean, again, as long as you respect this low, technically you should continue up, right? But at the same time, I still need liquidity. Still need some liquidity for us to get in a position. You know what it's like. We have to stick to the plan. And we have to sort of, you know, stay accountable and stay to our system. Otherwise, yeah, there's no point. What did I tell you about Man United? They ended on the lowest of lows after a trade dub. Just stop watching them, bro. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, brother. Feeling great for you in the chat that had a good trades the past few days. Hey, appreciate you, Creed. Appreciate it, man. United. Yeah, dead team. Alright, chat, but listen, I was trying to push down here on the 5. If you break this low, you should see a continuation, right? And yeah, like Matt said, as long as you close below 26.68, you've essentially made another low. You can come down a little bit further. The baldy, insane. Switch to Man City is crazy. That's a mad suggestion. I just missed Southgate, to be honest. All right, chat. So the 4 hours breaking its own low again, which is good. You might see a continuation down. Yeah, clean. So as long as we can come down a little bit further here, we should be chilling. Look at the way that we're respecting the lows, though, chat. That is definitely interesting. We win the lot. I'm going bald, SG. I'll hold you to that, Bedge. I'll hold you to that. Alright, chat. A whole load of nothingness on gold right now. But stay patient, right? Something will form eventually. I'll give it at least till the next, like, 30-minute. Potentially the next 1 hour. You should be good. Alright, cool. You trade anything other or just gold, SG? Bedge, what do you mean? You've been here for ages. What? Just gold, bro. Only gold. Only gold, man. But yeah, listen. You are pushing down here, which is great. It's exactly what we needed, right? We needed, you know, some more liquidity from the downside. And we should be looking to get that soon. So, realistically, as long as you can continue down a little bit here, you should be good to go. I just want to see, I want to see some structure being formed, etc., etc. You only trade the London session? No. So Sam, I trade New York as well. We stream New York at 1 p.m. UK time, so that's in about 3 hours time for everyone who's in a different time zone. But yeah, no, we stream New York as well, so definitely pull up to the New York streams if you aren't already pulling up. Chat, this is great for the people who are in cells. You're chilling as well. Didn't know if you started anything new. Nah, not quite. It's a nice little 5-minute closure as well, coming in about 17 seconds. Rest can hopefully run. Yeah, I mean, depends on your entry, but you should be chilling. Unless you close no bottom wick on this 5-minute candle. Technically you left a little wick, but yeah. You were trading GU or EU when I first hopped in the stream. I thank YouTube for recommending this awesome community. I appreciate you, Creed. Yeah, I was trading EU back in the day. You go back to our first streams. Yeah, you'll see me trading. We did like a breakdown for EU and a breakdown for gold as well. That was interesting, but then we stopped trading EU very quickly. April or May? Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, chat, but look. So you are pushing down now. However, I do think you are going to test like 26.64 as a minimum. Thing is, right, you don't have any entries here, so there's nothing I can take in terms of sells to come back down. And even though, yes, you've broken some market structure on the 5-minute, look at the 30. There's definitely still bullish market structure. So what you could do as well, if you respect this 30-minute low, like we're about to do here, we could potentially have some buyers on the break of this high to continue up towards all-time highs, and stops would be very, very tight below this 15 and 30-minute low. Chat, I'll be back in a sec though. I'll be back in a sec. Yo, I'm back. What's good, man? Yo, chat, you did actually respect that low. Like I said, right? Very interesting. Only issue is you are very close to this 1 hour level, right? But that being said, right, you obviously have made a small bottom wick on the 4 hour and closed very, very high above on the 4. So realistically, I mean, you could see a push here. Don't get me wrong. It's just a little bit difficult now. Alright, cool. How long have you been trading? I've been trading 5 to 6 months, been funded twice. Nice, bro. I've been trading about... It depends what you mean. In Forex, about a year and a bit. Maybe 1.5 years now. But in total, including like crypto, futures, maybe like 3-4 years. Only like a couple of years seriously, though. Right, you got a 15-minute close here. Look like you're going to close bearish. Which is interesting. Again, you did respect this low, right? Hang on, one sec. What are your opinions on investing in crypto? Yeah, it's good. You just have to be locked in, and you have to focus. You have to essentially not be gambling, right? If you switch to futures, let us know how it goes. That's the end goal for me at some point. Yeah, bro. I mean, eventually maybe, but I'm not really too fussed on it. I trade a personal account, right? So it's not as if I have to worry about Forex props or whatever. But yeah. Why is this? I don't know. Are you self-employed? I don't know if I call it self-employed. I mean, technically, I trade for a living. So I guess I would say I'm more of a, I hate the word, but more of like an entrepreneur. Like I have companies, not, I don't pay tax as a self-employed person, if that makes sense. Like I trade through a company. My other businesses are through companies, so it depends what you classify. But yeah, I guess so. I guess so, man. Bro, so hang on, chat. Wait, we're flipping here. I can't take anything off this flip though, unfortunately. I just can't take it. I was thinking about you've got 6 pips or 8 pips of room to the rejection area. I'm not saying it doesn't fly up, but what would be best now, chat? Now that you've respected these lows, which is great, if you can now close on the 30 above 70.5, then we'll take the bias to continue up, right? And then you can use this as stops rather than the full stops. But the fact that right now, like, we'd be in this trade and our fucking advantage point would be like 7 pips away. If you count for spread, that's like 5 pips. Yeah, not ideal. Probability is decent, but the risk is not. Yeah, yeah, you're right. I mean, it's most likely going to tap the top of this level, but again. How was the trading company classified legally? Omar, I'll hit you up afterwards, right? I don't want to really just shout out too much of that. Or you can hit me up. Chat, I'm not... Bro, I was talking to my girl about flights for her to come over here. She lives in a different country. She just messaged me like, yeah, I booked a flight. And I was like, sick. And then I just see a notification on my Amex saying, you spent X amount at, at like British Airways or wherever it was, Skyscanner. So funny, bro. Nah. Dangerous. Nah, I'm happy about it nonetheless. Like, she's welcome to do that. It's just funny. I told her to do it as well. I did tell her to book the flight on my card, so it's not like she just did it randomly, but so funny, bro. Man, it's just a dream in it. Gotta take it slow and learn and everything. Bro, it'll come, man. It'll come, honestly. Oh, Didzy, I didn't see your first message. Shit, man, I'm genuinely inspired to have your lifestyle of being a trader, go gym, travel, just do sick stuff. Yeah, bro, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. It's not to be a cocky or anything, but yeah, it's probably the best lifestyle you can ask for. Like, it's just complete freedom. It's so nice. And obviously, like, I haven't made it yet, you know what I mean? I'm not like a multi-millionaire or anything, but right now it's just very nice to have your own freedom and do what you want and not have to worry about certain things. What's good, Gems? Where's she from? Fucking loads of countries, to be honest, bro. Mine tap B, W. Yeah, W, Matt. Good trade management, bro, honestly. Well done. It's a clean trade. That's why we make the money. Indeed, Omar, indeed. It will come for all the trend community. Yeah, chat, if you pull up to the streams every single day and stay locked in and stay, you know, in the Discord community, by the way, go in the free Discord. If you pull up every single day and learn and just focus on actually learning, yeah, you will be eventually profitable. Like, this is the perfect community to learn to be a trader. Do you trade negative RR? Yes, but it's not really that negative. It's like between 0.5 and 1 to 1 RR. To be fair, recently we've been taking a lot of positive RR trades. Like, I took a 5 to 1 the other day, I took a 3 to 1, a 1 to 1. And then, yeah, some like 0.6s, 0.8s around that area. but not like massively negative. To be honest, like, I don't really focus on the risk to reward too much, but at the end of the day, we've been massively reducing our stops recently. Ben, what's good? Not many trades taken this month, but I'm seeing a massive progress in my execution. Yeah, W, bro, good stuff. That's what matters the most, right? It doesn't matter about how many trades you take. Yeah, I know traders that take one trade a month, and they make a shitload of money, right? So there you go, right? That shows you don't have to take many trades. Are you covering your bills? Do you have any other form of income? Yeah, I'm covering my bills. Yeah. I do have other forms of income, yeah, I do. But trading's the main one. Side note, any tips for getting over do you mean a diet, lol? Or what? Struggling to not consume a fuck ton of stuff? Yeah, diet. Matt, I'll tell you what the cheat code is here. Firstly, stick to whole foods. I'm pretty sure you do that anyway, but stick to like whole foods. Remove carbs from any meals other than pre-workout or post-workout. So essentially, you want to be pretty much no carb for most of the day. If you need it as fuel, then use that, you know, as like pre or post workout. But you should really be avoiding carbs as much as possible, because that's when you get that glucose and insulin spike. That's when you're fasting. Okay, chilling then. What are you over consuming then? Because if you're over consuming like whole foods and proteins and stuff, then you're fine. I don't think it's an issue. Alright, chat, but listen, you got a 30-minute close here in 7 minutes. I want to see what happens here. I'd love to see if we can close up above this area here at 2670. That'd be very, very clean right now. Like I said, chat, look, we tapped into the level exactly. On that trade that we could have taken, you would have seen 6 pips, 7 pips max without spread. And then you would have got, you know, you'd be back in drawdown. So, again, not the best there. You just have to wait and see here. Consumer load, yeah. Yeah, consumer load is crazy, man. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, how can I avoid carbs in Italy? Bro, in Italy, don't even worry about avoiding carbs. It's different food out there, bro. It's different food out there. What's good though, JJ? How you doing, man? Yeah, bro. Whenever I'm in Italy, like I'm in Italy quite a lot. Like normally, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times a year. I just eat whatever I want there, because you can eat whatever you want and get away with it because the food's such good quality. But if you are trying to avoid carbs, go and get like a Florentine steak or something like that, or like whatever. Steak in Italy is really good as well. Bro, that's the one thing I miss, bro. Italy's like the best fucking food in the world. I've never ever been anywhere with better food than Italy. It's different level. Alex, what's good, man? Do you stay away during news? So yeah, chat, I'm going to be streaming New York later, and there's obviously news during New York. So make sure you guys pull up to the stream in like 3 hours time. But the way that we trade news is we don't obviously get in a trade before it. We don't gamble news at all. We'll wait for the news to come out, and then we'll wait for a 5-minute closure after news. If there's a breakout or an entry we can take, then good. If not, we wait for the next major closure. So let's say, you know, it's 2:45 news. We'll wait for the 1 hour closure. If it's like 2:30 news, or sorry, 1:30 news, we wait for the 4 hour closure, etc, etc, etc. So yeah, we basically just use the volume and wait for it. So let's say it picks a direction, right? Obviously news eventually picks a direction. Let's say it's bullish. We wait for it to pick that direction, make some closures, and then we just jump on the wave and try and ride it up a little bit, if there's a setup. If not, we just leave it. I'm not the biggest fan of trading news, especially because it makes stops massive, which I don't like, but I mean, when there is a perfect setup, we take it, don't get me wrong. Your channel is so underrated. I'm glad it popped up for me. Hey, let's go, JJ. I'm glad to hear that, man. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, chat, I've got a lot of big stuff coming to this channel, man, honestly. So today I've got a new vlog coming out. It's going to be fucking sick. I'm super excited for it. I'm going to basically refurb the whole channel, make it look good, new thumbnails, all of that stuff. So much coming, man. But essentially, I'm just trying to help people become an expert in what they want to do, right? I'm trying to help people get fit, start making money with trading, start, exercising discipline, everything. So yeah, I'm just really trying to help you guys out. I mean, I essentially at one point was, just struggling with a lot of things. I was not making money. I was in a dead-end job. I didn't have the best physique, and I managed to change all that round. And I just want to help share that out with as many people as possible. And that's why I sort of started creating content here. So I'm glad you guys are enjoying it, and I'm glad you guys stick around and we'll all level up together, right? That's why I built this community. That's why I built the Discord as well. The Discord, essentially, I want it to be a place where people can come in and just help each other out with as many things as possible, right? So, like, I want to essentially make it, you can help each other with trading, you can have gym stuff in there, whatever it is, man, you can, bro, this is funny. But yeah, I want to make it like a family, and that's essentially what the goal is right now. SG about to change everyone's lives. Hey, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate that. Truly. Let's see, though, chat. You got 30 minutes closure here in about 3 minutes' time. So hopefully we can grab some positions based off that. If you do close bearish, you might be able to take some sells to continue down. But we'll see. Cheeky 40 pip trade on GJ. 4-hour closure bottom wick. Entry on the 15-minute. SG Classic. I figured out an entry that works for me perfectly. Risk free at the minute. Hey, let's go, Yanga. 4-hour wick fill. Yeah, Ben, I answered your question straight away. I didn't, before I even saw it, right? I read your mind. Yanga, good stuff, though. Congrats, man. Congrats. Same here, bro. I was scrolling, refreshed the homepage, then I saw SG with, like, low views and shit. I'm for real grateful that happened, though. Hey, let's go, man. Let's go far. I appreciate that, brother. That means a lot, man. All of you who just said stuff like that, it means a lot. Honestly, I'm very, very grateful for you guys. I mean, the community is nothing without you. So yeah, you guys really make it. It's nothing to do with me. Appreciate each and every one of you very, very much. Very much. Do you trade ICT concepts? No, I do not, bro. I do not. Is this the 30-minute? It was the 30-minute. Now it's the 1 hour. But yeah, this is the 30-minute. Should be able to see up here in the top left, all right? You got 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. But yeah, what's good? Ice banks. What are ICT concepts? It's just a different trading strategy, but yeah. I used your zone 2 running advice and instantly doubled my running distance. Thanks, SG. Hey, let's go, bro. Insane. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, yeah. Anyone can, like, we're designed as humans to be able to run very, very far, right? And I think the main thing that I struggled with when I started running, the main thing was that I'd get into, like, I'd have to try and, I don't know, I guess it's ego, right? But try and run as fast as possible to get a good time. But when you realize if you slow it down, you can run pretty much infinitely. Yeah, you're good. You can run, like, you could easily run a 10K straight off the bat if you do it slow enough. You might be in pain afterwards, but point stands. Look at this. We're respecting these lows really, really well. Thing is now, though, you're not going to close above on the 30-minute just yet. Any positions now? No, we got to wait, bro. I'm waiting for a closure above this level because at the minute, bro, if we were to take a trade here, my logical TP would be like 9 pips. Not even. So I can't take anything based off that. You're also, like, don't get me wrong, you're struggling to push down, but at the same time, you're also struggling to push up as well. Like, we've been struggling off this 2670 level a lot. Yeah. So, you need to sort of, you need the confirmation, sorry, that you're going to, like, close above here. And once you do close above there, that's a confirmation that you can continue up past that level. And then we can take our trade, right? But at the minute, you close bearish, but weak bearish on the 30, so there's no sells. And you're closing, obviously you're not closing above the range, so there's no buys. So at the minute, you're stuck in a bit of a purgatory. And you need to see one direction or the other, right? So essentially, I will wait for the next 1 hour close. But, or even maybe the next 15, depending on what we do. But once you do close above here, you should be good. As long as you respect this low as well, you can use that for stops. Because now you've essentially, what you've done, chat, is you've made a higher low here. So as long as you don't come back down below here and create a lower low, then you should be good. But yeah, if you can now close here, and the next one closes back above, then you close again above like this. Yeah, you should be good to drive up, right? Seems as though price just ranging to a high impact to trap retail traders on both sides of the market. Yeah, bro, I agree. I actually agree with you. I think you're right. I don't know if it will range to a high impact news. Maybe. It's very possible, but yeah, I think we are ranging to keep, you know, traders trapped. I think once you do close above as well, it's the same philosophy as yesterday's trade, chat. It's the exact same philosophy as yesterday's trade. What did we see yesterday? Okay, so we were waiting for a 1 hour closure, right? Above our level, which was here. Right, this was the level we were at yesterday. And we were ranging for this entire time, right? We literally stayed in this range for the longest time. And then the moment you break out of that range, you understand that, okay, it has to go somewhere now. Okay, it's either going to be a fake out or it's going to be, you know, the big push. And so, especially when you range for this long, what are you doing? Every time you're going up and down, up and down, up and down, you're just collecting orders, right? I.e. collecting liquidity. Then the moment you break out, what do? You see a small retest here and you continue up, right? And that's it. So we knew the moment you're going to break out of that range, you'll see a pop. And we could, you know, you could expect to see the same thing just now. You might see a range around here. And then either you're going to pop down below and you're going to see a continuation, or vice versa, right? You're going to see a continuation up. Oh, you're going to see a continuation up like this, and then we'll continue up. But either way, right? Once you're ranging, you can't do anything here. Like, look at this 5 minute. This is a horrible price action to trade. Really, really not nice. Chat, someone clip that, please. That explanation. How to evade a 9 to 5? How to evade a 9 to 5, bro. Work a 9 to 5. Save up. Don't live above your means. Save as much money as possible. And whilst you're working the 9 to 5, use your evenings and weekends to focus on a skill. It doesn't have to be trading. It could be anything. Any skill that you can provide value to other people with, or, you know, that you can directly monetize. Do that. Once you've got that skill perfected and you've got enough cash saved up, drop out your 9 to 5 and go all in. That's it. It's so simple, bro. It's simple to say, but hard to do. I understand. Like, it's a very easy concept. I know it's a lot harder to do, especially if you've got dependence or whatever. It's very difficult, but the younger you are, the easier it is to actually escape it. What's good though, Fazo? Everything boils down to your discipline regardless of strategy. 100%. What's good, Dev? How's it going, man? You just need to chill at home. Yeah, trust me. MFX for real, it's easier said than done. Yeah, it is easier said than done, but it's also very possible. It's also very, very possible. How you doing? I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Thank you. Chat, can we get to 75 likes on today's stream? I feel like we can easily do that, right? You guys are killing it at the minute. I appreciate every single one of you. And yeah, let's see if we can get a position here, man. I want to see what we can grab. I think there's a lot of opportunity for us to get a position on this next either 15-minute close or the 1 hour close. So one or the other, we're going to grab a position, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We're looking for sales? I'm not sure yet, bro. It depends what the closure does. If you close bearish, then yeah, we could look for sales. We haven't had a bearish closure yet, though. I mean, this is technically weak bearish. Like, it's doji, though. If you did get a strong bearish closure, then yeah, I'm not against taking the sales to come down. I think, Omar, this is like your entry, bro. It's pretty clean. But otherwise, if you do close above, obviously, we'll just take the buys to continue up. Whoa. You did actually now break this low, though, which is interesting. So you're not respecting that low anymore. Hey, what's good, Tyler? How's it going, brother? Hello, hello. Here's the police. Insane. Insane, chat. But listen, the 5-minute closed here. You close within the range. Look at this. You are just creating this... Essentially, you're essentially just creating a range now between these two areas. Which is not ideal, right? You wanna see more of a... Whoa, that's sick. That's so fucking cool. You want to see a breakout of this range to one direction or the other before you get any positions. Which we might see on this hourly close. We'll see. Either way though, chat, you can't get yourself, you know, confused here. The 4 hour is still very bullish, right? I know that I've got a line here for the 1 hour, but it doesn't mean anything when you look at the 4, right? Technically, if you look at the 4 hour, your only levels possible are right here and right here. And now you've closed massively above it. Once you grab liquidity and you flip, you're gonna continue up. You're under abreast is crazy. Okay, chat. Let's see what we do here. Or are we going to barcode till high impact news? I think it's very possible. Yeah, see, look, you just like wick outside the range and then flip back into it. So it gets difficult here, to be honest. Guys, remember also, if you do want to grab a funded account whilst I've got you, code SG at ACG. It's going to give you 20% off all your accounts. And funded trading plus 2, code SG. And if you do want to take trades with me at all times of the day, regardless of whether I'm streaming or not, I do have a signals group and a coaching group included. So you get signals and daily coaching calls, all for a very, very cheap price, right? And the price is doubling at the end of this month. So yeah, if you do want to jump in there, make sure you do that before then. But yeah, definitely insane value for money. I'm not going to lie. W code. Indeed. Can I do a funded on TradingView? Yeah, you can. Depends what firm. I don't think ACG do it. I know that... I think FTP do it. I'm pretty sure FTP do it. Otherwise it's C-Trader, but C-Trader's a bit dead. It's not dead, but it's not as good as MT5 in my opinion. I don't mind C-Trader actually. Lol, give me a funded giveaway. Chat, there is going to be a funded giveaway in the vlog that comes out later, right? I will do a giveaway in that vlog. So if you do want to be involved in that, obviously just keep your notifications on. And yeah. Chat, what the fuck? Found the maddest apartment. Oh, that's insane. I'm actually gonna have to gatekeep it. C-Trader on one trading platform. I failed to remember the name. Sucks. Nah, that's not too bad. Any entries yet? Nah, not just yet, bro. We're waiting for a setup here. But we can't really trade this range, if I'm honest. Can't really trade this range. Is there an issue with ACG at the minute? No, I don't think so, bro. Not that I know. I know Huss got his fat payout as well. So congrats to that guy. Alright, chat, you got 5-minute closure here. You got 20 minutes as well to the next hourly closure. Now, the 5-minute just closed. I throwing errors when I click buy. That's weird, bro. Maybe have you filled something out wrong? Maybe just refresh and start again. That's weird, bro. I don't know. Yeah, 5-minute close, no top wick. 30-minute. Yeah, you're coming up towards a flip here on the 1 hour. So, realistically, if we could close above here, chat, this would be very, very clean, right? It'd be very, very clean. We just have to stay patient, right? Remember yesterday, chat, we waited all day for an entry, and the day before, and we got yeah, we got everything. Everything. I mean, we got our position, everything formed perfectly, is what I was trying to say, and we managed to get, you know, 30 pips both days. So, you know, it's all about patience. Patience really does pay. You ever been axe throwing? Yeah, I have actually. I did it with my old job. It was actually lit. The X? What do you mean? My old job. Company, work. Nothing else. Match trader. I've never used match trader. Watch yourself, yeah? You watch yourself. You're in big trouble. Me, big trouble? Crazy. Bro's a lumberjack. No, I mean, I went axe throwing. Bro, they have like axe throwing bars here. It's actually fun. That shit is super fun, I can't lie. Whoa. Bro, chat, I'd actually stay here. Yeah, Eugene, you're in big trouble, mate. Big trouble. I don't know, mate. Alright, 15-minute close here in 2 minutes. Close us the deal, blood. Is it now? Not yet. And you also didn't, because I gave you a free client, basically. Anyway, anything other than MT5 is bad? I mean, nah, C Trader's good. Trading View's alright. But yeah, I think everyone's just used to MT5. That's probably why. I like the naughty step is crazy. He's getting another timeout for this. Yeah, that's not that one's not on. Chat, it's got so bad now that I'm having to time out my own mods. What's going on? What is going on? Alright, chat, but listen, you got 15-minute close here. Again, once you're in this range, chat, I can't take anything, but if you do close outside the range, you should be good. So we'll wait for the next 15 in 2 minutes time. Focus up for that. And then yeah, once the 1 hour closes as well after that, if we don't get anything, we'll see. But if I don't get anything by 11 o'clock, then we'll have to call it. Yeah, we'll have to call it. MT5 is the best? Yeah, I think you're probably right, bro. Reoffending, you know. Wait. Insane. Insane. Eugene's on GHB JPY. He's on yeah. XD JPY. Alright, the 15 minutes just gonna close in the range, chat. Nothing interesting here. Guess we need new mods. Maybe. Maybe, you're right. Yeah, these mods are getting too comfy. I have to throw a little spanner in the works. I'm gonna lose my job. That's such a good video. Alright, chat. Let's see what we do here. You got 15 minutes to the next closure. This 15-minute closure is doing niche for us at all. Just moving nowhere, chat. You got no volume as well, really. No real volume. I mean, listen, there's still a lot of potential, right? Just a matter of waiting for this closure. Beat me, get mod. Beat you in what? That's the question. That's the real question. Yo, ICT community is so toxic, bro. I made that post, and in like halfway in it as a joke, I said don't trade ICT. And these guys went crazy, bro. Chat, honestly, these guys went ridiculous. Like, and then I'm even seeing now in my comments, I've got 2 ICT traders arguing about which one trades the correct version of ICT. Bro, in my comments, they're literally going like, I've got it now, there's like 50 comments. One of them's going like, bro, how you gonna do me like that, bro? Nah, it's not everyone, but a lot of the community is so toxic. I've got in the comments one ICT guy saying, yeah, no, ICT's sick. The other one's going, yeah, it is. And they were like, which one do you trade? Like, how do you trade it? And he's like, nah, fuck that. That's not right. You don't trade properly. You don't trade this. It's like, bro, chill out, man, honestly. Chill out. I don't get it, bro. Every single... It's mad as well because the only bad interactions I've ever had with traders are ICT traders. I've never had a bad interaction with a non-ICT trader. It's so weird. How does that make any sense? Oh, I realised what... wait, one sec, chat. I just realised what the problem was with my camera. Oh, bro, that's so much better. I had my exposure way too high. I didn't even realise. Some of the people treat it like a cult, not even gonna lie. Yeah, listen, I think it's a profitable strategy if you trade it correctly, from what I've seen. And I've never got anything against it, but yeah, a lot of people treat it like a cult. I do think it's bullshit that this guy invented the algorithm, though. Like, there's only one algorithm. Anyway, regardless, we move. We move. They're coming for me. Yeah, shit, I shouldn't have said that, eh? Alright, 12 minutes here, chat, to the closure. Look, I stepped in shit. Bro, that was a good video. That was an OG video. I got so much hate for that back in the day. I got so much hate for that back in the day. I wonder if that's still up. I love that, bro. Anytime I shit on ICT, my videos do so well. It's sad, but it's true. Where is this video? Yeah, look.
Is the truth, make her disappear just like poof, then she's gone. Addicted.
Bro, these guys were not fucking happy about it at all. Like, I got so many comments from people just absolutely ripping me. Nah, there it is, bro. Alright, man. But chat, listen, we are yeah, we are pushing back into the range. So again, how much we can do? I just want to see a clean closure, chat. That's all we need. Hey, yo. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, there's no wrong or right way to trade. That's true. That's nasty work. Yeah, bro, that's an old video. That's like at least 8 months old, I think. But maybe not 8 months. Somewhere around there. Got head out. See you all for NY. All right, Gandhi, in a bit, bro. In a bit, man. Yeah, chat. We're going to wait for this 1 hour close and then we'll see what it does. But most likely we'll call it after that because, again, I'm not sure what we've got here. But yeah, man. Enough of the shitting on strategies. Enough of it. Chat, we're literally 5 subs away from 4.5k as well. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We're getting super, super close now. It's insane. GeoGuess is best. Yeah, Gandhi's the GeoGuessr pro right here. When I start when we start the Trendlines esports team, And have Gondi as the captain of the GeoGuessr team. This guy. Guy's way too locked in on it. Better be Valorant. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I've played no games like that ever. But yeah, what is going on? I'm down for anything. Actually, I've never thought about starting an esports team, but I bet they make a decent amount of money. During the Fortnite days, I bet esports teams were making so much bread. Like, you know when like the Fortnite World Cup and shit was going on? Like the prize pools were like $1 million each tournament. Trend Sports? Trend Gaming, surely. SG, when you starting the live stream for the NY session? That's a good question, my bro. The live stream for the New York session will be started in in 2 hours, bro. In basically 2 hours. So not really much of a break. But you get time to go do whatever you want. Eat some food. Chill out. And come back. Yeah, so 1 PM UK time is when we start the stream. Cool. Cool. Let me just send this out. Perfect. Alright, G. Yeah, no stress. Yeah, 8 minutes here. I think, to be honest, the likelihood is that we just continue to range, if I'm truly honest. So we could either just call it a day here, or we may as well wait for the next, like, 7 minutes, right? Yeah, it's not too long. The outrage there would be if you started a brand named Tren anything. Karens would fight their hardest to put you out of business. Uh-oh, that's not good then. It's not good then. Bearing in mind I have a company called Trend something already. And a whole brand called Trendlines. Uh-oh. What about if I started a company called Trend Supplements and the only thing we ever sold was just actual Trend? What about that? I think that could be elite. Could be elite. I don't know. But yeah, I think, to be honest, I'm getting so many fucking emails sent through to my phone right now. I think, to be honest, with the way that we're just ranging here, you have news in essentially, what, 2 hours? 2 and a bit? Yeah, we might just be waiting for that, if I'm honest. Because there's not much volume right now. 11 o'clock does normally bring some volume. But it might just be waiting. Don't get too jacked as Sheep out to catch some accusations. I'm eyeing him already. Crazy. It's crazy. Trend on the supplements, because who needs sleep when you get gains? Yeah. Insane. Any more gains and I'm putting them on a fraud watch on my life? Bro, I've been getting so small recently because of running and like carnivore diet. I've been losing a lot of weight, I'm not gonna lie. At one point I was 99 or 98 kg. I think I'm now like 89 or 90. So you can't call me unnatty, bro, because I'm actually small now. I'm small. Steak and eggs, yeah, bro, beef and eggs is a superfood. I had steak and eggs last night, it was top tier. Run today, mate, 5k for me? No, mate, my foot's still fucked. Foot is still fucked. What's your height? 191 centimeters or 6'3", 6'2". You saw the flex yesterday. If I see pimples soon, oh lord. Oh no. Oh no. Luckily I beat the allegations. I think my skin cleared up, so we're chilling. Rest it, broski. Yeah, I'm trying, bro, but I also I rested it yesterday. I did nothing. And it was a horrible day, bro. I hate rest days so much. All right. Let's see. 5-minute closed here. No bottom wick. Still in the range. Good. Good. I rage quit the gym yesterday. How can you rage quit the gym? What does that mean? Too many people. Oh yeah, fair play. That is understandable. Unslowed. Just left. Yeah, fair enough. Luckily, I don't really have to deal with that. Waiting for leg extension for 40 minutes. And it's on a leg day too. Fuck that, bro. That's different level. Hit shoulders instead of legs. Yeah, that's the move. That's the move, bro. Chat, the 1 hour's closing bearish here, though. But you're still in this weird range that I don't like. Want to go for a pig's ear this weekend, SG? Bro, what? I was about to say something crazy. I don't understand people that do stuff that aren't in any form of competition. Makes no sense to me. Yeah, I don't know, man. Each to their own. Hit a small 4-5k, you'll be good. Bro, I can't even walk on my foot, let alone fucking run a 5k. Pig's ears of beer. Ah, okay. Maybe. Chat, 3 minutes to this closure right now, so let's see what we can do. Bro, I think you should now take a break. Come back in NY sessions. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting for the 1 hour close. And then we'll take a break. Up into the foot. Nothing really happened. I just ran a 15k and then fucked it. Like, I ran a 15k. Firstly, I ran it with no music as well, which is the maddest thing, in my opinion. But then, like, towards the last 5 kilometers, I had a really strong pain in my foot. Like, really, really fucking painful. And I had to finish, so... I had to finish the run. So, I just did it. But then afterwards, it was really fucking bad. I don't know what it is. Yeah, well, soon. Hey, thank you, bro. Should be fine. You can't run without tunes on, like... Or is that, I jump in front of a car, yeah. Trust me. Chat, you're pushing up here. Had to finish Namazis, man, Goggins. No, bro, but I said in chat the same day that I was going to do a 15k, and I also said it to a few people. So I can't then just not do it. I look like a pussy. Too much, I'm off. What do you mean, Tyler? What's too much? What have you done, you donut? What do you mean? Tyler, you're confusing me, bro. Alright, chat. 1 minute to the hourly close, though. Realistically, if you close like this, we've obviously got nothing. What does this guy mean, man? Gold's been hard. Yeah, it's not the best right now, chat. It's a Fed cut rates. It's just been weird. First question was about your incident. Okay. Bro, it just seems as if I was doing something crazy that you hadn't said. I'm so confused, Tyler. Yeah, I'm chilling now. Now this Baron type fellow. You can't say. Only longs make sense, yeah, but at the same time, we've got nothing here, chat. You look like you're going to close below as well. So, chat, realistically, that's going to be it from me. I'm going to play the Pixel Lights. If you are going to leave, make sure you like and subscribe before you dip out. You know, we really are trying to grow this channel a lot, and I appreciate all the support you guys have been putting in. It really does mean the world. But obviously, we're getting so close. Literally, bro, look how close we are. We're 3 subs off. Chat, if you're not subscribed right now, and you see this number, make sure you fucking subscribe. But no, I appreciate you guys very, very much. You guys are really helping us grow. And yeah, let's try to just grow this channel to the moon, man. It's gonna be sick. But SG's phone caught a bullet. Oh yeah, shit, I forgot to say, yeah. Well, I think I did show you. My phone's fucked. Got a little bullet mark in the top corner. Alright, chat. Yeah, much love. We close below. Alright, so we'll play the pixel and we'll call it. Let's aim for 10 billion subs. Easy 10 bill. Oh. Drop Baron. What's good, man? Welcome. Thank you. Thank you for the dubs. Chat, what's the word? What's this word? Wreck. Yeah, bro, Matt's on the ball at the minute. Just keep clutching up the pixel letters. He loves it. Oh, chat. Not as on the ball as me, though, mate. Wait, what? How is that not power? Rower? Weird, man. Alright, chat, final one. We actually just powered through this. What the hell? Ego got the better of you. Surely, bro, the logical guess there is power. Rather than rower. No shot. I'm not taking that. Ego got the better of me. Chat, what's the word? What could this be? What do we reckon? OR, yeah, OR is not a bad one. I was thinking CH, but yeah, it could be OR. Can't be lower. The E second. It lever. Yeah, lever's not. It can't be lever though. It's not a bad filler guess though. I might take it just for the filler. Yeah, alright, good. We'll take that. LE. So it's not ER. I think it might be CH. It could be a K. Leche. Bro. No, it can't be Leche. That'd be sick though. Right, it could be a W, it could be a K, it could be a H. Lemon. Oh, bro, that's a good guess, bro. Has to be lemon. Yeah, Matt's just clutched the whole thing up. GG's, man. MVP for the day. Insane. Insane. Alright, chat, listen. That is it for me. For the London session. Make sure you pull up to the New York session in like 2 hours now. Be there or be square. Listen, it's gonna be a good stream, I think. We've got power talking, so there's gonna be a lot of volume. Make sure if you are trading until then, just be careful, manage risk, all that good stuff. Join the Discord if you haven't already, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And other than that, guys, peace out, much love. See you in the next one. Bye bye.